Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 5. In that we have already done some of the, you can have a look at the previous video, the quadratic formula ones. So now a few questions are left for that, where we'll continue with that questions. Now these are not the normal ones, like because even it is a single formula. So you can see all of the equations are different. First you have to bring it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and then only you have to put it in the form in this formula and then solve it. Now see here, this one is you have to solve each of the following questions for x and give in each case you answer correct to two decimal places, because you don't have to keep in root or something. You have to write the answer in correct to two decimal places. Now see here, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So now a will be here 4, b is here, you have to look along with the sign, that will be -5, c is -3. So this is the quadratic formula. So now you have to put in the values. So this minus and minus becomes plus, so this will be +5, plus or minus here root of b. Now here this will be -5 square, this minus as it is, 4 as it is, a is 4 and c is -3, this 2 as it is, a is 4. So once you put these values in it, so now this the same, this the same, this will be -5 into -5, that will be +25. Now this is one term, so what you have to do, minus into minus is going to be plus. 16, 16 is a 48 divided by this 8. So 5 plus or minus, when you add this one, that will be 73 divided by 8. Now since they are asked here to correct it to two decimal places, so you will see the value of root of 73. You can use the calci for this one. So that will be 8.544. So rest all is the same. So now this will be, once you are going to take plus, and that will be divided by 8, and then the other one you are going to take minus 5 minus this one and divide by 8. So this you are going to add it, so that will be 13.544 divided by 8, and this will be 5 minus 8.544, that will be minus 8.544 minus 5, that will be minus 3.544 divided by 8. So this, when you divide this one, you get 1.69, because you have to put it to only two decimals, and here when you divide this one you get 0.44. So we can write here x is equal to 1.69, or x will be minus 0.44. Now here 2x minus 1 by x is equal to 7. So here what you have to do, you are going to multiply this by x. This will be x, that will be 2x square minus 1 divided by x is equal to 7. So 2x square minus 1 is equal to 7x. So this is going to be here, so that will be 2x square minus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. So a is going to be 2, b is going to be -7, and c is going to be -1. So this is the formula given. So this will be minus into minus is going to be +7, plus or minus here. This will be -7 square, minus here, 4 here, this will be 2, and this is going to be -1. This 2 as it is, and this is going to be 2. So here will be 7 plus or minus, here this is going to be -7 square will be 49. Minus and minus is going to be plus. 4 2s are 8 divided by this will be 4. So 7 plus or minus root of this will be 56 divided by 4. So this will be 7 plus or minus. Now root of 56. Now what you can do, we'll take the factors of 56. So you have to make it to the lowest term first, or you can also put your, since they have asked you to find out two decimals, you can take directly the value of root of 56 and you can put it, because the this here the calculator is allowed. Or you can do the other way, you will take the factors of 56, 2 28s are, 2 14s are, 2 7s are, and 7 1s are. So in this one, these are the factors given. So what we have to do, whenever you have to simplify this one, so you will take one should be a perfect square. So this will be 4 and this is going to be 14. So what you can do, you can write here 4 and 14. So when you write here root of 56 is 4 into 14, that will be root of 4 into 14. So here this will be root of 4 will be 2, this will go outside, and this is going to be 14. So this is one of the way to write it. Or the second way, you can just put in the value of this root of 56 and then you have to put it to the decimal will be here. So anyways, you can do it. So now you are going to take once, you are going to take plus, and one will be minus. So I have done with by taking this one. So my steps are here. So these are the additional steps, or if you take this directly value, you will get few steps. So anyways, it's up to you. So this will be, when you add this will be 14.48 divided by 4, and this one will be minus 0.48 divided by 4. So here 3.62, or x will be minus 0.12. Now here it is given as x square minus 16x plus 6 is equal to 0. So here will be, this will be 1, a is 1, b is minus 16, and c is 6. So this is the quadratic formula. So you have to just put in the values, that is going to be minus is going to be plus 16 plus or minus root of minus 16 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 6. So 2 into this is going to be 1. So 16 plus or minus, this will be minus 16 into 16, that will be 256. And here minus here 24 divided by 2. So this 16 plus or minus, this will be 232 divided by 2. So here again you can either put it directly the value of root of 232, or again here you can just do it like this. We'll find the factors of it. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 6 are 2 5s are 2 8s are, and 29 ones are. So what will you write here? We can take again, you can make it to 4 and 58. So because this is a perfect square, so that is going to be root of 4 into 58. So this will, you will take outside for this root of 4 is 2, and this is 58. So 2 root of 58 divided by 2. So now from this one, what you can see, 2 you can take common. So it is going to be 8 plus or minus 2 root of this one divided by 2. So this and this gets cancelled. So that will be 8 plus root of 58, or x is equal to 8 minus root of 58. So now root of 58, that will be 7.62, and minus root of 58, that will be minus 7.62. So this will be 15.62, or x will be 0.38. So now this is the question given here. So now what you can see here, this is x. So this will be x square minus 18 divided by x is 6. So x square minus 18 is equal to 6x. So this is going to be minus 6x minus 18 is equal to 0. So a is 1, b is minus 6, and c is minus 18. So this is the formula given. So minus and minus becomes 6. This one will be plus 6. So here will be, so now will be minus 16 square. This will be 1. And this is going to be minus 18 divided by 2 into 1. So this will be 6 plus or minus. This is going to be minus 6 into minus 6 will be 36. Minus and minus becomes plus. So 18 4s are 72. That divided by 2. So this will be 6 plus or minus. This should be 108 divided by 2. So now again here you can do root of 108. That is going to be 10.39 divided by 2. So once you will take plus divided by 2, and the other thing is going to be minus divided by 2. So this will be here, or this one. So that will be 8.19, or x is equal to, that is going to be, this will be minus, sorry for this one. So this is going to be minus 2.19. So this is the answer. So now here the next problem here. This is now, see, this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what you have to do, you have to expand this one. This will be same. Minus 3x, minus and plus becomes minus, and this will be 9. That is 0. So now this is in the form of, so a is here 1, b is minus 3, and c will be minus 9. So this is the formula. So minus and minus becomes plus, that will be 3 plus or minus. So minus 3 square. This is going to be minus here, a is 1, and c is minus 9. So 2 into this will be 1. So that will be 3 plus or minus. This will be 9, and this minus and minus becomes plus. So this is going to be 36 by 2. So 3 plus or minus root of 45 divided by 2. So 3 plus or minus here. Root of 45 is going to be 6.708 divided by 2. So this is going to be plus, and this is going to be there will be minus here divided by 2. So this will be 9.708 divided by 2, or this will be minus 3.708 divided by 2. So this will be in 2 decimals, and again this also will be in 4.85, or x will be minus 1.85. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.